On the spot news media, we got the latest news. We don't care about the views, we just representing right. Put local news internationally every night. On the spot, wave that Jamaican flag from left to right. Let's get it right, y'all know the type. We ain't dealing with the hype. We make it take flight.
Yeah, man, my viewers and subscribers, what a go on. A blessed and wonderful Saturday morning to each and every person out there tuning into On The Spot News Media. Now, my peeps, we have made it into another weekend, and you don't know we have to give thanks and praise to the Most High Creator for the preservation of life, because we are here amongst the land of the living and not amongst the land of the you-know-what. Yeah, man, a Halloween time, you know, but we not celebrate nothing. We're gone 6 feet under. We have to celebrate life. So those who are traverse to the markets, forget the market produces, if you mash up some soup in the laters, when you don't know, just be careful upon the street, same way. And for those who are traverse to church, the Sabbath keepers, just remember to keep On The Spot News Media, the followers, the viewers, all his loyal subscribers, me I tell them, my peeps, keep us in prayer all the time, because we definitely need that now more than ever. The old dirty kind of boy them out there seeking prey to devour. You don't know, my peeps. So we are going to visit over in the troubled area again. Boy, may I tell you, Kingston Western Police Division, one of the most troubled police division out of all divisions right across the cross section of Jamaica. So we are going to visit over the Federal. Yeah, man, we are going to talk about Trenchtown, we are talk about Rema, because them decide so them no want no peace. All the police them a try to bring the peace initiative down that side. Them decide say straight knockings and clappings them are going with. So On The Spot News Media I got attempt for sure both Rema people, Trenchtown people and Federal side people say the war never makes sense because of all the demographics of the place stay. Because in my honest view of things, all them money I do, I just live, forget clap way. Them just I live today, forget clap way tomorrow. That is all, because there is no way nobody can win to all the place set up and to all the war I go on. Nobody can win. Everybody I go lose. Yeah, man. So me I go show you a map right now before me start show the pictures of the main persons them who are going with the bag of things and who not take no talk. Me I go show John public who no know Rema or Trenchtown set up a map, and me I go show you where the war really a concentrate right now, because I'm mostly between Sax and Federal man right now, you know. I really push the heat. Brooklyn fatherless, them still in the thing, but is of a less. You don't know all the things said, but them two fractions here are the two major man them where I push the war and it need to stop. So watch this now, my peeps. Look on the screen. So this is the section where the war really are going. To your left, you can see 3rd Street. To your left, you can see 4th Street. Going from south to north, that is Collie-Smith Drive, right? So that part of another section of 3rd Street and another section of 4th Street on the right, which is in Rema section. So 3rd Street, 4th Street on your left is in Trenchtown section. So watch this now. Alright, so on this map, pay attention to the further left, where you see West Road. As you can see, it run along south to north, just like Collie-Smith Drive. Now, further left of West Road is what we would call the Federal side that can lead you into Roadstone. Alright? So, Federal side, they're to the further left of West Road. And right there now, in between 3rd Street and 4th Street, alright, that's how the war really concentrate. So watch this now. On this map, we are focused on the left-hand side at 3rd Street and 4th Street, alright? So, behind 3rd Street and 4th Street, you would have West Road that me show up on the previous map. So, behind that now, you have the Federal gang. So, you have West Road with part of Federal gang and Sax gang. So, Sax is concentrate on the lower section of 3rd Street, as you can see on the map. Now, split the half of 3rd Street to your left section in half. That is where the Brooklyn gang start. So from West Road to in the middle of 3rd and 4th Street, that is the Sax gang. So from in the middle of 3rd and 4th Street to Collie-Smith Drive, that is the Brooklyn gang. And then over on the other side of 3rd Street and 4th Street, that is Fatherless gang. So you have Basically, Federal a war with Sax, and then in the middle now you have Brooklyn, where a war with Sax and Fatherless Man, where they on the right hand side, now a 3rd and 4th Street, a friend. So basically, Sax can't go no further than in the middle of 3rd and 4th Street. And Brooklyn Man can't cross Cali Smith Drive, and them can't go no further than in the middle of 3rd and 4th Street. Same way. Now, Federal Man them can't come cross West Road for come on 3rd or 4th Street because of this or Sax Man them control. So you see how close knitted everybody in the war is? Yeah man, it's like one against the one here, and then the one there against the one there. Boy, may I tell you, the thing just confusing, but I hope the map can paint a vivid illustration of what me I try for being across, so you can see how close all 4 gangs is. Yeah man, one street split in a 2 top and bottom. And it's not even the complete street, because another half of the street they across Cali Smith Drive from Boys Town School side. Yeah man, so basically half a street split in a half with 2 warring fractions per half of a street. Some boy, I tell you, the thing really rough. Hard to really explain for those who don't understand and those who not come from the era. But I'm pretty sure those who come from the era can comment in the comment section and make the ones them know say On The Spot News Media talk sense. So watch this now. Federal side, man them controlled by a brother with them call Iroon. But him have a son with them call Craig man when I take no talk. Him not even a take talk from him father for show you. Because the father I make everybody know say yo, him a try to talk to him son, but him son nah listen. Even though the father are the big man in the thing. Me no know if Craig man a try to prove to him father say him a bigger hot stepper than him, and him a go come hot up the thing way more than what him father did do back in the past. So watch this now. Craig man are basically the leader for the Federal gang. And this brother you know, on your screen is known as Lucky. Him run the Sax gang. As you can see a girl picture the right side of him. Now, Lucky are the man who take the life of a female. He's presently incarcerated, pending a trial and all these things for this person's loss of life. Her name is Laugh. I also did a blog on the loss of life of this female. So now, over Federal side now, as me say, Iroon and him son, Saxman them, definitely Lucky and Feme Goons, which I will post some of Lucky Goons them too. And I've done so in the past, so you can go watch them blog that too, to see the faces them. So, watch this now. Over on Fatherless side now, you have 2 money god over there, so a brother with them call Pete, we run the illegal cable business in the place. Unfortunately, we not get a picture for Pete yet for post it so John public can know who me attack. But Pete, everybody know Pete in a Rima, Trenchtown, jungle, the whole place because of him run off the illegal cable. So now Pete is a man where fund the war in terms of him buy a whole heap of strap. Him and the next long time old dirty corner boy with them call Lily Cat. And funnily, Lily Cat, even though him in the badness so long that I have to show you how young them youth here take up the badness thing on them head, because Lily Cat is not a old youth either. He is pretty young, him somewhere there in him late 30s, somewhere there about. Lily Cat is a young enough person. So that I have to show you how long them man they in at the old dirty corner boy life. And Lily Cat is a man we have youth. Pretty sure say a man we have youth in our street. So me no know how them a man here a fund the war for other youth and youth end up lose them life. And Lily Cat is a man who never too in a place neither. Is a man who can afford to live outside of the community, but come inside of the community if come help mash it up and this very same community build them money. That's the man that can have a portion of money and can live outside of the community. But instead of them use the money and build the community, them a use it, tear it down. When time I show you the map, you can see where a Heart NTA, they right there, so a Boys Town School. Yeah man, that is a historical piece of Jamaica's landmark. And if me not wrong, and please correct me if I'm wrong, the Right Honorable Hugh Sherlock wrote is either the national anthem or the national pledge on the grounds of Boys Town. So that is a historical landmark. And right across the street there, so you have Bob Marley Culture Yard, another historical landmark that can bring a whole heap of revenue in the place if marketed and used properly. So me not understand why them goons here are mash up so much of Jamaica's heritage with the bag of knockings and clappings over there every single day. So people who no need to live in a unity because nobody can win because of how the demographics of the place set. Because no man can go from the top of the street to the other top. Everybody have to stop somewhere right in the middle there, so all of you know each other. The whole of you used to go to same school. The whole of you even share same baby mother some of the time. A girl were related to a top man on one side of youth for your next man on the other side. So the whole thing intertwined, interrelated, family oriented, all of that. And yet still the man them can't call a truce and say, yo, Lego the vibes. I just they strap them in the man them hand, make the man them feel I am mighty and powerful. Right now, in my estimation, if the war for really broke out the right way, federal man them would have really be the victor. Because federal man them well strapped down to the T. But the thing is, Sax man them more serious. Yeah man, Brooklyn has some little fry youth them man there. Them man there have some strap, yes, because them get support from federal man them. But also the strong fatherless crew are support, Sax crew. So there's no winning. I can't tell you this. There's no winning. The only thing that gonna happen is just a matter of time before each and every one of you losing the 3 points by full hands or by the hands of the squad of them. It's just a matter of time. So it no make no sense on a down there a war every day for what? Boardhouse and zinc fence, gullies and trench. What the little political spoils we una get at that una kill off each other for. Come on youth and youth, no need for wise up. Yeah man, no need for wise up and Lego the war vibes. But they are preach like Paul. Yeah man, but no for no say I did Saul turn Paul, you know. And no need for understand that. Because anyhow you no listen, you not gonna get featured per On The Spot News Media. I'm gonna create a little part of On The Spot News Media, man, for the death news. And anytime you no hear the old Dirty Corner Boy song start sing, you no know say another one bite the dust. Yeah man, me I tell my peeps. So me I gonna list them out again, you know. This brother where them call Rasta from round a Roach Lane. Roach Lane had a like a small lane there where run off West Road. 3rd Street there's a West Road where can carry you back. Round in a federal side there's if you go back a Roach Town. So the Rasta where runway from Caymanas River, he's wanted for a whole heap of loss of life in the St. Catherine South and North Police Division. Yeah man, and him a hide off in a West Kingston and a create a bagger unnecessary vibes. So now this brother up on your screen, Craigman, as me say, the leader for the federal gang and son of the Don what them call Iroon. So now this person is called Whisper by your screen, another top lieutenant of the federal gang. For him father is a long time old Nakis and Clappis to them call Joe Barker, otherwise called Killer Way. Yeah man, this brother you know what them call Body Rough. Yeah man, come from Denham Town, but is a little boy we love stray go all boat go bad. Once a badness Body Rough in it every single time. Yeah man, him is a part of the Buckers gang where you don't know say federal and Buckers man them I say one no. Yeah man, so them man they also join forces with Action Pack and them man they are fight against the infamous fatherless gang. So now this brother with them call Gaza man, another controversial figure when either need to get walk out or chalk out ASAP, even though the police them clap with him second one day when the two of them go clap with a little old man with them call Tanimo. So this brother is known as Gaza man. Yeah man, me I tell you, this brother now is known as Lamb, a little young youth. The same youth where him and Gaza man go clap with Tanimo, you know, where the police them clap up on a bike, what they a feed cousin this, another little young youth. As I can see, the whole of them little youth here, baby them have titty milk basically pan them mouth. Yeah man, me I tell you. So this brother here right now on your screen is known as Not Nice, another controversial figure. Presently in police custody, by the way. Him charged for a double loss of life. You remember the 16-year-old girl that her father is a reputed gang leader, also them call Russian Kid, where did get clapped with in the big war there sometime earlier this year, if memory serves me correct. Yeah man, this brother here, they are jail for that slap away there. Real old crab up head boy, this me I tell you. He formed alliance on 3rd Street. So basically a top sax man this. And funnily, you know, he was a part of fatherless clique too, you know, but him switch up the thing and go deal with sax man them and decide say him a run theme one thing and become a top man in a sax right behind Lucky. Yeah man, me I tell you. So the whole of them man, as me say, I did friend at some point in time. This man I switch from this a gang ya. This man I switch from that the one day. So I saw the man them just switch up the thing. This minute them a friend with this gang, them switch gone over one another gang. And I saw the man them decide to live. Because even this little youth what them call Webster, the man them clap up some can pan Webster what there. Webster is a man we used to in I think, but him decide say my try to stay far from it. So basically we not sure if a Webster pass come back come touch him pan him shoulder or him just get caught in a crossfire as them say, because them say he was not the intended target. But you don't know how them a man here clap a man under Sykes. So now this brother here on your screen, real back and belly rat, then calling chicken. So basically him go pick up can anyway. Yeah man, so basically went and chicken hungry, you know, and somebody just chose some can and this so chicken a go. Because chicken used to clap can pan sax man them for Brooklyn man them. And now him switch up and start clap can pan Brooklyn man for sax man. Boy, may I tell you, me not understand how the so-called gangster world run, because that a utter foolishness, because you can't clap can pan me. And a strong possibility exists where you clap with some close people to me or some family to me, and then you come on my side and help me where you used to clap can pan, the clap can pan who you did a clap can for pan me. The whole thing are just rubbish, me I tell you now. All of uno, all of who you see me are listed right now, yeah man, are some walking dead them here. Yeah man, it may sound a way and people might say who is you if you call on dead pan a man. Me not call dead pan a man, but to how them youth are live and how them youth are run the thing, that is inevitable as long as them continue for walk this path, and that is just facts. Yeah man, whether or not you like it, are just facts that. Now this little young youth what them call Bapper. Instead of Bapper, go look at trade or go learn something constructive. This little youth go pick up the badness thing too. Yeah man, and it's just a matter of time before Bapper also get bap. Yeah man, I saw the thing set in the street, and who not like it, can not like it, you know. But on the spot news media, I go speak the undiluted truth, and that is just the truth. All of uno are walking dead. Yeah man, me I tell you, the whole of 3rd Street, 4th Street with all of them gang there, we are run up and down and go on with them bag of things at Rima and Trenchtown and Federal side. The whole of uno basically living in Fright Night. Yeah man, is a graveyard. The whole around there so is right now. Be a man a walk up and down. The hunger thing them a man a want right now for be a perfect dead at the rate. Yeah man, me I tell you. And if you put a reach round some of them neck and then still a walk up and down, you just know say it's just a matter of time before them lie down with the same reach. Yeah man, the whole of no mark for that man. And not by anybody else but by the hands of who no own friend, the who no own in-law, because the whole of no related, the whole of no friend, the whole of no go at the same school, who have baby father upon the side there, who have baby mother upon the side there, who for father live over there so, and him a clap can over there so because him live over here so. It's just a bunch of madness. Even brothers are clap can pan each other because them live pan the opposing side. Joke thing, and them mother live pan another side. We are war with them two side there. A joke thing, me I tell them my peeps. The thing is just one big laugh. So anyway, my peeps, I hope you understand everything we on the spot news media try to bring across so you can understand. Say the war make sense, because this blog is definitely for Rima, Trenchtown and Federal set a man them. So you can understand, because probably somebody have to tell you, so we not go on with no make sense and all I want to just lose. Well, me take the time out of my busy schedule to tell you, say yo, Lego the thing. Alright? Remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned to On The Spot News Media as I continue to give you fresh news and updates in subsequent newscast. On The Spot News Media. Yeah man.